So big! Hi library friends, it's me, Miss Kath. I'm so glad you could join me for So Big this week. Hello, how are you? Do you remember our Hello, How Are You song? Where we say hello, how are you? And we're good, great, wonderful. Let's sing it together. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. Again. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. It's wonderful to see you. Let's do our bread and butter chant where we tap our shoulders and then tap the tops of our legs and say hello in lots of different ways. Ready? Bread and butter, jelly and jam. Let's say hello as loud as you can. Hello! Bread and butter, jelly and jam. Let's say hello as quiet as you can. Bread and butter, jelly and jam. Let's say hello like a cat if you can. Hello, meow. Bread and butter, jelly and jam. Let's say hello like a chicken if you can. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Hello, cluck, cluck. That's so silly. So I have a story about birds today, but first we have to get our wiggles out. I wiggle my fingers, I wiggle my toes, I wiggle my shoulders, I wiggle my nose. Now no more wiggles are left in me, I'm as still can be. Our story today is called Hooray for Birds. And it's by Lucy Cousins. So in the story, there are lots of different things that birds do. So if you want to get up and move while I'm reading the story and do some of the actions that the birds do in the book, feel free to get up and move. Hooray for birds! Can you imagine? Just for one day, you're a busy bird. Yes, a bird! Hooray! The sun is up, the sky is blue. Wake up and shout, cock-a-doodle-doo! Flap your wings and you can fly higher and higher, up in the sky. Hop, 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 peck, peck, peck. Now swim along and stretch up your neck. That's a swan with a long neck. Say, hello, darling. Then swoop like a starling. Swoop up and down, swoop round and round. Scratch the ground with your feet. Catch a fly with your beak. Stand very tall on just one leg. That's a flamingo. Say cluck cluck and lay an egg. Catch a wiggly snake and stretch out your wings. Open your beak and sing. Tra-la-la, tweet, tweet, tweet. Hum, hum, hum. Cheep, cheep, cheep. Waddle like a penguin in the snow. Run like an ostrich. Go, go, go. Show off your tail and puff out your chest. That's a peacock. Then cuddle up close with Mama in your nest. Oh. What a busy bird you've been. The funniest one I've ever seen. You began the day with cock-a-doodle-doo. Now say goodnight. Tweet, twoo, hoo, hoo. That's an owl. The end. Now I have two little bird friends I'd like you to meet. This is Jack and this is Jill. We're going to do a little poem with Jack and Jill. If you don't have little bird puppets, you can use your fingers to be Jack and Jill. Just use your finger like that. Goes like this. Two little bluebirds sitting on a hill, one named Jack and one named Jill. Fly away, Jack. Fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack. Come back, Jill. Let's do that again. Two little bluebirds sitting on a hill, one named Jack and one named Jill. Fly away, Jack. Fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack. Come back, Jill. Now, many birds use their wings to fly around, but do you remember a couple of weeks ago, we sang a song about an insect with beautiful wings that also uses them to fly. Do you remember the name of that insect? That's right, a butterfly. We sang a little song about the butterfly. Let's see if we can sing it now. Fly, fly, butterfly. Fly, fly, butterfly. Fly, fly, butterfly. Fly up in the sky so high. Now move your hands faster. We'll make the butterfly flitter. Flitter, flitter, butterfly. Flitter, flitter, butterfly. Flitter, flitter, butterfly. Flitter and fly up in the sky. Let's sing the first part again. Fly, fly, butterfly. Fly, fly, butterfly. Fly, fly, butterfly. Fly up in the sky so high. Fly back down. I have a song, I think you'll recognize the tune, about a little bird. This is the sign for bird, like a beak. And the little bird flies up to the sky and then down to the ground. And then he opens his beak and he sings sweetly. Sing, tweet, tweet. The Then the little bird flies to his nest and takes a rest. Would you like to try it? This is the first time I'm singing it too. We'll do it together. Little bird, fly around, up to the sky and down to the ground. Little bird, flap your wings, open your beak and sweetly sing. Little bird, fly to your nest. Now it's time to take a rest. Ah, tweet, tweet. Let's do it again. Get your bird ready. Little bird, fly around, up to the sky and down to the ground. Little bird, flap your wings, open your beak and sweetly sing. Little bird, fly to your nest. Now it's time to take a rest. Who remembers the roly-poly song where we roll our hands and we move them up, 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 down, 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 out, 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 in, in, fast, 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 and slow, slow, slow. Ready? Roly-poly, roly-poly, up, 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 up. Roly, roly, poly, roly, roly, poly, down, 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 down. Now we can do out and in. Roly, poly, roly, poly, out, 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 out. Roly, roly, poly, roly, roly, poly, in, in, in. In, in. Good. Now let's do it fast and slow. Roly-poly, roly-poly, fast, 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 fast. Roly-roly-poly, roly-roly-poly, slow, slow, slow. Slow, slow, slow. Very good.
Well, that's the end of So Big for this week.
See you next time.
Hey, Jack, do you know how to get to the hill?
Yes, I do. Follow me.